Here's an 8-foot door that's not closing properly, just won't latch. And he said it's sticking on the top. See how there's a big gap on the bottom? No gap on top. And up on the hinges, you got a big gap up there and no gap down there. So what's happened is the whole door has gone like that. I'm gonna lift the door up and watch what happens to that hinge when I do. See how that jamb is moving? The jamb up here has pulled away from the wall. It comes with its own metal casing, especially the Timely brand frames, and this metal casing can be popped off to give you access to the screws that are screwed into the flange that hold the door frame in place. That whole thing's wiggling. I've wedged the screwdriver in here so that the door, instead of going this way, is now straight. And I know that because this gap is even all the way from the top to the bottom. Part of the problem is they only have 2 screws up here, and they're just 1.25 inch drywall screws. So I'm going to put more. I'm going to put 2-inch screws in here, and I'm going to put in a bunch of them so that it stays in place. Now instead of 2 short screws, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2-inch screws. See what happens when we take our screwdriver out. That door should stay in place. Hey, got the nice gap. This thing should open and close properly. See, these frames come with numerous holes, but whoever put that in said, I don't need those. I don't need all those. I just need a couple. Why overdo it? Save my screws, save time. Great, more money for me. Pop that track back on and we're done.